Hi, my name is Matt Nolf. I'm with a company called PNG Technologies out of Michigan. We're a supplier of propane and natural gas kits for generators. Today we're going to be doing an example conversion to propane on a Kohler Pro 5.2. This is a commercial grade generator. And if you'd like to see the video, you can go to our website at www.pngtechnologies.com, or you can reach us at 734-992-2648. Okay, now what we're going to first do is we're going to install our secondary regulator to the frame. The best spot on this, just below the valve cover here, we mark off. We're going to, because we'll mount it like this, all right? So what we'll do is we'll measure. I went off a tab here. There's a little tab in the back. Just mark it an inch and 3 3/4 center to center. Punch your tab. Drill them out. Okay, both sides. I've already drilled these, so just drill those. It's real simple. It's just a hollow frame. So, and then we'll supply you the hardware. And all these will be pre-assembled for you, so it makes it a little easier for you. Alright, it's easy as that. That's that step. Okay, now that with our regulators assembled down here, we'll go and install our carburetor adapter. This will all come pre-assembled too for you. We give you an extra gasket with it, so you got it. So we'll begin by removing the cover here. Now in the back of this, you got a little air breather tube back here. Just pull them off the back of the box. Pull your filter out. Now you'll remove the two bolts holding the back of it on. Okay, we got that one. Okay, pull that off. Now we got access to the carburetor. You're not going to touch the gasoline carb at all because you're using it for your linkage, and then you can still use your choke when you choose the option if you want to run gasoline again. So the gasket's already there. All we're going to do is slide the adapter through here. Hook the hose up on this first, okay, and then just go ahead and pull your adapter around. Simple as that. Install your gasket back on. Put your cover back, your back cover back on. Tighten that back up. There we go. Get this other side. Go ahead and lock them back down. Put your air cleaner filter back in. Your cover back on. And that step is done. Okay, everything's installed back on here. We got a regulator on, our carburetor adapter. I mean, it's as simple as that. It literally takes you 20-30 minutes to do it. So now we're gonna, you'll get this with the kit too when you get the propane side, and then go ahead and hook that up to your barbecue tank or We supply you enough line where you can hook up a 100-pounder too. So let's go ahead and get this on here. Get our line hooked up on our regulator here. Now when if you're doing a natural gas conversion on this, obviously you will not get this particular hose here, so you'll bring your natural gas feed directly right to this, and we supply a ball valve when you get a natural gas kit. With the propane we don't, because you can use your tank shutoff valve. So here's the toughest part of the whole conversion, is setting your power elbow, okay, and that's on the outlet of the secondary regulator. We try to get them as close as we possibly can here, but every engine is different, so hopefully we can get this to fire up quick for us. Let's turn our propane on. All right, we'll loosen our nut up here so we can adjust it, jam that on it. Okay, got that. Okay, make sure your generator's turned on. On the back of this unit, there's a primer button. Go ahead and just give it a shot of fuel. Shut the propane off, you're good to go. Now if you want to run gasoline again, you just shut your propane off, or if you got natural gas, shut that off, turn your gasoline cockpit on, and then you can reuse gasoline. I'd like to thank you for watching this video for PNG Technologies. If you'd like to see this video on our website, you can go to www.pngtechnologies.com, or you can call us at 734-992-2648. Thank you very much.